Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
ENJIN, ENJ, Prime supporter Maxim Blagov has expressed that the organization is centered around reception. He envisions a future in which a great many gamers utilize computerized things supported by ENJIN coin without realizing it exists. This is an ideal technique as gamers might want to play and stress less over details, for example, the instability of the coins utilized. Then again, ENJIN has been exceptionally engaged with the gaming business and intends to build the income of the gaming industry and give them an upper hand. Financial backers, in any case, are definitely inspired by details about the coin as the need might arise to stay in front of the group. The present ENJIN coin cost is $0.509461 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $67,636,988. ENJIN coin is up 8.66% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 77, with a live market cap of $456,171,421. It has a circling supply of 895,399,956 ENJ coins and a maximum supply of 1 billion ENJ coins. A game maker makes sense of that. Developing an interior game economy includes making a Steam from nothing, and making the nothing, like a lift, scant is one method for achieving that. How's that once more? For the present, we should begin with realizing the ENJIN coin prior to continuing with the ENJIN coin cost expectation. ENJIN coin is an ERC-155 token and an ERC-20 symbolic that depends on the Ethereum organization to help brilliant agreements and installments. Its stockpile is limited, with a market cap of 1 billion units. It was first reported in July 2017 and sent off on the Ethereum network in June 2018. ENJIN coin upholds the creation and utilization of virtual products. You can make digital currencies that are supported by the ENJIN coin. Any individual mining on the ENJIN ecosystem needs to utilize the ENJIN coins. They pull out the right amount of ENJ tokens from their wallets and lock them inside the resources they make. Along these lines, the tokens are taken out from the commercial center to make shortage. It is additionally the first crypto to be utilized in the gaming business. ENJIN coin is inventive crypto and is supposed to change the computer game industry. The ENJIN network blockchain gaming local area has in excess of 20 million clients. Gamers can utilize ENJIN network to make families and gatherings and play with companions on the web. Blockchain-based gaming is gathering heat inside the gamer's local area. Gamers can utilize highlights like talk while playing blockchain-based games. Additionally, utilizing the ENJIN network, any player will tokenize things in the game utilizing the Ethereum organization. Gamers utilize the ERC-20 token on Ethereum and the ENJIN network to foster NFTs like computerized swords. NFTs are becoming well known as numerous specialists are entering the local area. Indeed, even Time magazine delivered its own NFTs. This makes the ENJIN coin cost forecasts very significant as numerous financial backers need to purchase ENJIN coin digital money. ENJIN coin price history. This segment is a verifiable examination of the ENJ cost prior to getting into ENJIN coin cost forecast. The conversation depends on authentic information about the ENJ advanced coin. The ENJ coin entered the universe of digital currencies on 1 November 2017 at $0.02431. Financial backers didn't give a lot of consideration since it was new on the lookout. The price of the coin before long started to take critical steps. Toward the finish of 2017, the worth of ENJ had hopped by more than 600% to arrive at an end cost of $0.1727. Compensating early financial backers with enormous increases. On 7 January 2018, the price of ENJIN rose to a limit of $0.4934, an increment of more than 180% from its past high. The huge value activities of ENJ ignited a ton of premium and prompted its posting on significant digital money markets. Toward the beginning of February 2018, The exchanging ENJ value dropped to as low as $0.09134, however before long earned a 4 cent rose to $0.1931 before the month's over. Toward the finish of June, ENJ had gone negative, and its worth lined again to $0.05143 in the wake of encountering huge selling pressure. The bears hauled the price of the ENJIN coin, and it finished with a base cost of $0.03714 in 2018. 2019 didn't begin any contrastingly for ENJ, as the coin's fairly estimated worth dropped to $0.02516 on February 6, 2019. Not long after the plunge, ENJIN coin picked up speed with recharged financial backer support. Throughout the next few months, the coin exchanged inside the scope of $0.1116, $0.2225. Toward the beginning of the second from last quarter of 2019, ENJIN's price started moving downwards, and by October, the crypto had kept a huge drop in market worth to $0.05493. Towards the finish of 2019, ENJ's pattern turned around, and it hit 10 cents once more. The crypto finished 2019 at $0.08025. The present ENJIN cost investigation shows a negative pattern picking up speed with bullish potential outcomes. ENJ/USD's ongoing cost is 46 cents. The market covered yesterday in a crashing force and is opening today with confident bullish signs adding to the previous spike over the 48 cents mark. Likewise, the instability diminishes, offering the bulls more chance for a colossal rebound. ENJIN cost examination shows market unpredictability pursuing a declining direction, demonstrating that the likelihood of ENJ/USD encountering changes stays consistent until the instability varies. The maximum furthest reaches of the Bollinger Band is available at 59 cents, which goes about as the most significant opposition for ENJ. Alternately, as far as possible for the Bollinger Band is at 44 cents, which is the most grounded help for ENJ. The cost of ENJ/USD has all the earmarks of being crossing under the moving average band, showing a negative move. Be that as it may, the market's heading might appear to stay predictable throughout recent days. Bears have taken the market, which debilitates the position of the bulls. Notwithstanding, the ENJ/USD value seems to break the help band, demonstrating a breakout on the lookout. This might cause a lopsidedness in power in the digital money market. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is 43, demonstrating a steady digital currency. Moreover, the value seems to follow a vertical way in the lower nonpartisan district, showing indications of the cryptocurrency's steady worth and development towards strength and extraordinary purchasing movement. The finish of the ENJIN cost investigation shows that the digital currency